How to set guided access passcode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom. In here, tap on Guided Access. Next, tap on Passcode Settings. At the top here, tap on Set Guided Access Passcode. And here, you'll be able to enter in your passcode. So put in your passcode that you would like to use for guided access. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Here, when I want to lock an app with guided access now started, and when I end guided access, I need to enter in the passcode. So if you put in the correct passcode, you should be able to get in guided access. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.